How to make pathfinding AI for an enemy in Gdevelop. So we're going to want to add the pathfinding behavior to the enemy, and then we want to add the obstacle for pathfinding to the wall. Then go to the events and search up distance, then select between player and enemy. Distance, you can pick whatever you want. I'm going to do 400, and then search up pathfinding and do move to a position, select enemy, and then do player dot x brackets, and then copy and paste that and change it to y. And that's all you have to do for enemy pathfinding. As you can see, he pathfinds around the walls and chases after me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.